Oh, there we go. The Volkswagen Golf GTI, and that is in red enamel. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we're going to look at the brand new 2019 A case. Now I don't have a full case. I don't know why it didn't come, but they didn't come. So I had to go out and find them myself. I have a handful of cars here that I'm going to show you and give you something to look for while you're out there wandering around. I got these from our local Walmart. I was really lucky. So this is what we got. The 57 Chevrolet, and this thing is beautiful. It has the aero disc wheels on it. Now I have two of them here. One is a light candy blue metallic, and the flames are orange and olive. Alright, now pay attention. The flames are orange and olive on the side, the hood, and the roof. It's not like it was a mistake or something, okay? Like one of them got done and one didn't. All the tampos are orange and olive. The interior is white. The windows are a lightly blue tint, has a chrome base. And like I said, it is a nice light candy apple blue metallic. And this one here is a very dark candy apple blue. Same as the other one with the white interior, the chrome base, the aero disc wheels on it. And the tampos on this one are orange and mustard yellow on the side, on the hood, and on the roof. So we have two totally different tampo colors, and as you can see, one car is much lighter than the other one. I have a couple of these. I gave a couple away. I've seen them in a lot of places, so make sure you keep your eyes open for both variations on the 57 Chevy. Oh, there we go. The Volkswagen Golf GTI, and that is in red enamel. Has the Momo tampos on it. Has Momo on the roof and Momo on the side. They are mustard yellow and black. The interior is black, and the window it's a really dark tint to it. Has a dark blue plastic base. The wheels are blacked out PR5s, and they have a dark yellow ring around them. I have two of them, and as you can see, one does not have Momo on the side. It does have it on the top, but not on the side. So I found that at Walmart. Keep your eyes open. Hey, maybe you'll find one too. So we have two things for you to be looking for. Look for the Momo with outside tampo, and be looking for the 57 Chevy with olive and orange flames, or mustard yellow and orange flames. And like I said, you could see the one is lighter, the candy apple blue is lighter, and one is darker. So that's it. Till I find more, hey, we'll have to be looking for them, right? So thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Appreciate that. Give us a thumbs up. Please leave us a comment. Please subscribe. And please, please be kind to one another. So until the next time we meet right here at Hot Wheels TV, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.